Hi guys, welcome back again to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you all how to achieve this sleek ponytail with jumbo braid. I simply comb my hair and bring it up to the front. But you can put your bun anywhere you like, but I prefer the high bun. After that, apply hairstyle gel or any gel of your choice. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video if you have not done so. Then, brush to smooth the hair. Because I wanted a medium-sized bun, I attached kinky hair to achieve that. After all of that, set your edges. Then, go ahead and tie a scarf, for that will help in drying process and slicking down the hair. For the ponytail, I'm going to be using Darling Braiding hair, color 1. Since I wanted the ponytail to be long, instead of cutting it in half, I'll be using 2/3 of the length. Then go ahead and feather the blonde ends, because you don't want the ends to be blunt and it helps in increasing the length. Now for the installation. Use a hair scrunchie and hold the hair in the middle, like this, as you can see. Alright, in putting the ponytail, you need to know exactly where you want the ponytail to fall, but I want mine to go all the way back. So I place the ponytail right in front of my hair. Then I tie the scrunchie around the hair bun about 2 times. As you have seen, I took out a little piece of the hair from the bundle. I'm going to use that to wrap around the base of the ponytail. You also need to give a little space at the base before braiding because it's gonna go over the bone to cover it. Then braid down the entire length. So here, I used the little piece I separated to wrap around the base of the ponytail. You can also use some bobby pins to hold the base of the ponytail. I trust you all will find this tutorial very easy to follow. Don't forget to drop your comments if you have any. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll surely see you all in my next one. Bye.